Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect your ass. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect your ass.
All right, we here. Good morning. What up, Sovereignty, MKC, Trader 007, Treff, Rob the Scalper. That dump just kind of wreckaged our opening range. Just kind of wrecked it. I don't know what that is. Mancini just tweeted and said 7604 needs to recover to pop. What up, Marcine? Watch for traps of 7574. So yeah, the opening range here, 141 points. That's going to be the largest that I've seen in quite a while. Going to make it extremely difficult to take. Yeah. We'll see. Got a couple hourly swings down lower here. I got marked out 291, 269.75. Of course, those areas don't have to be ran. You got a huge gap here to the downside. So we'll see kind of what we get here. It's basically all we can do. If ES pops back above 7604, I guess we long there. I guess we long there. Yeah, 75, 74. Mark that out. Let's see here. What will we need on micro ES for 250? Would it be? It would just be like 5 points, right? 10 micros, 5 points. Yeah. Morning, Futures Trader. Yes, back to like 93 here. We got 12 minutes until open. Good morning, Clarity. Let's see. Tony Gold in the house. Lose 50 here. I might just jump in. Well, Max is barking. Come on, push it down. I entered the short here. Dude, it came so close to hitting my target and then stopped me out break even. That's rude. Yeah, it's all right. I mean, I think I might have got the $50 anyway on my Apex account that I needed. Max is barking like crazy. Another Apex PA account. I just took it on these accounts here. Why did it not? I mean, come on, really? One account that needed 50 bucks, I didn't even take it on. That account right there needs $50. It didn't even take it on that. That's weird. And that was on the copier. I mean, it's didn't take it. It was weird. What up, Timbo? Semowin, how you doing? Good morning, Jay Styles. Raul. Robert, Mad Moxie. Alexi, Coper. Well, you know. I'm done for the day on those accounts. I guess I'll just rotate. Guess we'll just rotate. Would have hit the full $200 profit, but obviously we moved the stop. Nothing wrong with that. I mean, it is what it is, but. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway, guys. So, Mancini is still saying, yeah, Weeks, this is a tough one. Mancini 7604 must reclaim to pop. Watch traps of his 7574. So that's probably what I'll do. Let me go. Is that is MES. It's 5631. Let me get my copier set up for this ES trade. Oh, is that what I did, guys? I see what I did now, I think. No, I didn't. I had 5 on there. I had 5. Yeah, I had 5 on there. I thought I didn't have 5 on there. Out the bottom of the pre-orb there. Okay. I want to change this to ES, though. Oh, come on. So we got time to fix it. No, we do have 10 a.m. news today. No 9:45 news. 10 a.m. though. Okay. All right, I think I got everything set up. Yeah, AJ, it's pretty tough, right? Pretty tough. Business Lens, what's up? We're giving away a couple of those My Funded Futures accounts. 100 points and now 100 points down. Yeah. It's all right. Let's see if we pump it open. Kind of got a feeling that we might. That we could pumpage. Well, we got a couple of minutes. Sell stop limit 10. I might still take it on a one account, maybe. Be nice if it opens up inside there. I mean, hell, it's 100 points. Good morning, Lassifer. I have no idea, Clarity, what to expect right now. What up, Tech T? All right, got a minute to open up here. Yeah, I think we need to run a little lower here, but I mean, do we have to is the question. We don't have to, but guess at least it's opening up inside. I'll say it's probably safe to drop it. $10 looks like absolutely nothing here. All right, tagged in. Come on, don't you? Get down there. Ah, that sucks. Just didn't want to give the 10 points there. What did it give? I mean, I guess it did give 10 points. Maybe. Close. What? Oh, come on. It took it with 10 micros? Damn it. That was supposed to be 5 micros. I lost $400 because it... How did that happen? Did I have 10 micros on there? Man, that was supposed to be 5. God dang it. That was a mistake on my part now. I lost $400 on that account. It only supposed to have been risking 100. Because 5 would have been, I'm sorry, 200. Oh man, I didn't mean to do that. Not paying attention there. I thought that I had that on 5 micros. I guess I didn't. All right. I absolutely did not mean to do. I did not mean to be on 10 micros there. So, reversed. Yeah, that sucks. Ugh. What sucks is if that, I mean, like I took a $400 loss and that account was like $50 from payout. Oh well, it's fine. I should have probably bypassed it anyway, being 141 points. You know, I know better than that. We know better than that. Cannot believe I did that. Cannot believe that. All right, let's move on to the next account. So I took a loss on those two funded accounts, $400 each. I'm up on 186. We're not trading that one today. 185 we could trade. %50 of that gap kind of got tapped there. 21 EMA, I missed that one. Wasn't looking. So ES needs to recover 76.04 in order to continue higher here. Probably puts us in line with kind of getting back above this gap here. So we'll see if ES wants to recover 76.04, as Mancini has kind of said there. And we'll look for just kind of bounces on off of these EMAs or whatever. Oh, God, I forgot to have another account too. I forgot about that account. Let me get that connected. Can switch over to that one too. ES hitting 75.93 here, which is the next level up. Vilwapi's close, it is. I might start. Might get a little starter trade going here. We'll see. See how this 5-minute closes. Yes, approaching that 93 there. I'm going to go ahead and get a starter position here. I'll look for a run up through there. If it pulls back, I'll add into it. Really important to see how this 5-minute closes. All right, stop to break even now. Yes, trying to work its way above 93, kind of struggling. Eh. Unfortunate. Might have should have just taken the 25 or whatever. I guess it didn't even give 25 points. Oh, I guess it did. New 5-minute candle now. See if we can pull back into 420 here. How long again? Let's pull back into the 420 area. I would take this if we pull back into 420. And try for a little. Really? Come on, man. Get up there. Not even get 10 points here? Guess not. Not going to give this very much room here. Probably if it doesn't bounce here. All right. First 50 EMA play, well, second one, 21 EMA play, sorry, on the 5. Paid, the first one paid 2. Kind of a bull flag there on the 2-minute. Yeah, for sure. Fighting VWAP. New 15-minute candle here in a minute as well. All right, out of that account there, up 156. Gonna switch to a different account now. $187. Kind of see what happens here, guys. I'm kind of still leaning towards a long here. Yeah, pre-market. Yeah, for sure that dump was. That's why I took it pre-market, but then, you know, long silver. Just kind of holding here, guys. Not really going anywhere. See how this 5-minute closes here. Still got 3 minutes left on it. Starting to pump up here a little bit. ES is closing above 93. Five-minute inside buy, indeed. I didn't see that. Good call. 43 points. Might try it there. 402. Look for a couple of 10-point plays here. Kind of closing outside the opening range. ES closing above 93 here. I think it's going to make a run at that 02, 04 area. Back above for this area here, 467 is where I'll go break even. We will average into this as well at 425. 30446 long. Let's go. See if this 5 minute can kind of close above 440 here would be nice. 30 seconds. Hmm. Gonna bounce back up to the 450 here, get me out of this. 453s. Yeah, wicking off VWAP. For sure, for sure, for sure. This will get me out of this and be done for the day. Oh, come on. What are we doing? Get through there. Needs to be about like a point and a half. Should probably leave a runner on here, but honestly. Yeah, it needs to pop Megatron. Okay. That was a little bit wild. I'm not gonna give this like too much room here. Still looking for the 450s. Lose to the 90s, I'm gonna kill it. Stopped out Treff, yeah. We do have equal lows down at 291 on the NQ. That's why I think if we lose the 90, we might head towards those. Right now we're 100 points from them, so. EDS to pop that 93 and we'll go. It's trying. I'm at here, and if this breaks the open, I'm just going to get out. I'm out. It's not bouncing, Ethan. Looking bearish now. Looking like it wants to take out that 291 level. Looky out below, Ponzi. Yes, kind of unable to get above that 93. I think I'm going to switch over to my Trader's Launch account. $350. If we lose 340 here, I think that 290 is probably on deck. We need a Hungarian goalkeeper to stop this fall. You were short 430, but have paper hands. Nice. I might see if ES loses 87 here. Poor guy. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. All right, I'm going to try this here. ES is kind of testing that 87. I think it just gets through there. Probably go break even here for like the break of 335 if we get it. Just look for that push lower here. 290s. Yeah, Clarity, it's not bad with the 5-pack, right? It's not bad. All right, break even here. News on top of the hour in less than a minute. Remember code myth, MYTH. Straight up tanking Ethan. Yeah, we got equal lows at 291. I didn't really consider those as a play until we kind of got back below 90. We're more than 100 points from them. So all right, got stopped out there. DVS holds below 87. Putting a wick on this new 5-minute. I am kind of chasing over here, guys. Chasing. Bang. All right, back in the green on that account after having that loss on the long. That chase short. Good morning, Chris. How's it going? Here for the fun and the giveaway. Let's go, Manny Man. I hope you win. Just to bring you out of retirement. Just to bring you out of the old retirement. All right, let's take a look and see where we're at on these accounts. What do we need to be trading? So we're at 254 on this account that we took that loss on. 156, 275. And of course, the only red account would be the funded, right? Negative 417. Oh, did I trade the wrong account? I hate that. I don't know which one's the freaking funded account. Private target. Okay, that one. Okay. So $118 on that account. We can switch over to this one now. Just kind of rotating through the accounts here. Nah, Matty Matt's still off the drugs. He's still off the drugs. Off the drugs. Now, you notice the ES really didn't pull back that much there, guys. I mean, Nasdaq did a pretty big dump. We still did not sweep those equal lows, though. I'm not chasing it no more, though. These markets are cooked. Yeah. I could try. You know what? I guess we could. Man, I don't know. So tricky. This thing could push all the way back up to 400, as crazy as it sounds. We could. We'll chase it with a micro here. How about that? Chase it with a micro. Still 30 points. 50-minute opening range there, or I'm going to put the stop in at that point. Let's see if we put in a 2-minute OB. If we put in a 2-minute OB here, I may add. Pretty hefty. You hate it, Weeks. Yeah. Trailing drawdown. This could go quite a bit lower as well. Adding. Come on, get down there and hit it. Hit it. Hit it. I'm just locking it in, guys. All right, 133 right there on that little chase play. You failed to get 5 accounts through the buffer and they died. That sucks. The guaranteed targets from Tom Ass. We need them from Ass. Ass. All right, I'm going to chase over here on the Lucid accounts. I think. Hold on. Am I? Yeah. No, I'm not. I might take it off of the 9 EMA here, 350s. If he hits the 9 EMA, I'll add into this. I got my stop at 360 right now, 20 points. 351. All right, stopped out on that Lucid account. Going to take it on the other one here with a worse entry, I think. Pattern shows the market would dip from the rally from last night. We'll see. What up, Room? Where you been, Room? I guess Room's been here. Design's not been here. I'll enter off the EMA here if we push up into the 350. All right, in short off the EMA here. See if we get the push down. Stops at 65. Come on. I'm going to get stopped, looks like. Maybe, maybe not. 21 EMAs up there at 73. Eh. Stopped out. Oh, you've been busy. What have you been doing, Room? Back to the open price. Back to the 2-minute EMA here. All right. Wild ride, yeah, for sure. Oh, you could short here below like 344. Stop above the wick up there is 35 points. Easy money. What are you doing? You're a long room? Yeah, Sovereignty, I had a tough day too. I was $50 away from payout and accidentally put the wrong size in and took a loss. I mean, it happens, right? Took a $400 loss. The good news is I stopped at one trade. That is the good news. So I will short at 343.75. The break of that. Look for a new job. Anybody hiring? I don't know. All right. Oh shit. You can believe you lost 500s that were 500 away. Yeah, that's dude. I had a tough morning too on mine. I mean, luckily I am rotating accounts today instead of kind of copy trading. So I did copy trade the open, but that one I took a winner on. Not a good reaction here. Not really what you want to see. ES holding up at the 87 still. That was an interesting little wick down there on the ES. We might get a little dump candle here. Let's see. Maxala, baby. I might get wrecked on this, but I'm taking it. Oh, you got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me, guys. Get your tail down there. Get down there, bro. Not a good reaction there. Oh, I got you, Weeks. Nice. Stampede for the exits. Gonna get scary. Fire in the theater. Well, Ponzi, you got to make it happen for me here, man. I'm short. What are you doing? Tea time and fresh air. Yeah, Rob. Good. It's good to walk away if you have a tough start. Nothing wrong with that. Not liking this trade now. It looks like it wants to just go high or low. It's got to get broken to go. It's got to get this low broken. Welp. Gonna get stopped here or what? Um, yeah. No bueno. I'm gonna go pull these down a little bit. Man, I feel like this thing runs lower. I really feel that way. What? Oh, I was gonna say, what was that? RIP Apex evals. That sucks. Man, I feel like it goes lower. This account can't survive much more though. This is a 25K account, so if I can't really add more into it, and I can't really, I mean, I guess I can move the stop and just risk the whole account. We might do that. You removed your other accounts from the copier. Nice. Ah, I'm thinking to myself like I need to get out of some of this size, right? So I can give this more room. I wanted to just take profit there, but well, that's RIP. Enter the short over here. All right, it hit. Yeah, I think we're going to lose this account, guys. We just going to lose it. Nothing we can do. I should have covered there. That was my spot probably to get out. Taco Jesus will bring it down. Oh. No, it's not a funded. I mean, if it dumps here, we can still be green. Stop buying the wick. Yeah. That's a good short. I mean, like, we tapped into a 5-minute gap there with the 21 EMA. I took it over here on this eval. Also gap, previous day close. Looks like it's going to run back through there, but we'll see. Stop 404. It just doesn't want to die, guys. It doesn't want to go down. It just does not want to go down. Really creating a Sabo box here. A myth to room guarantee. We'll see. We got to break 340 with some strength here. ES loses 87. I think we get a flash dump, but till then, it's It's not doing anything. He's just not wanting to do it. Yes, Irony, probably for the best. I've been being aggressive, let's be honest. I've been being aggressive. All right. Might switch to this account and take another short here too. Oh, come on. I swear I'm making so many mistakes today, man. I don't even have an ATM strategy on this account. What am I doing? All right. Man, blew the other account too. Down 500 on this account. Okay, well, it's not a good day on those. We'll put those away. Blew an eval. Perfect. Day one on it too. I guess if you're going to blow it, day one's the day to do it. Day one is the day to do it. Oh. ES very strong here, guys. ES just not giving it up. Nasdaq's really like whipping back and forth. I mean, we're in a couple hundred points here, right? What? 175 point range, but ES is just not doing it. It's just not giving it up. But we'll see here. It's what you get for kind of chasing those lows. I should have been sized, especially on a account that's 25K. Should definitely be a little more cautious. This is the area where ES rejected earlier. One to 200 on TPT. Let's go. Lucid in my Fin Futures. At this point, those equal lows are like 100 points away, so. Can we break back through 90 here? If you guys have not entered the giveaway, exclamation point MM. Let's see if we hold the 90 here, push back up to the whole number. Back to the previous day close here, see if we get a bounce. Let's switch back to a funded account. I might try this one more trade. It's not 1 day to pass. I thought it was clarity when I first read it, but it's a 45% consistency, which still requires 3 days. It was 5, or they were 7 days, so now it's 3. Still 3 days. Yeah, they don't, Zach. They're just holding it up. You love gold now, Larry? I like gold too. I traded at night. Raul, the giveaways, 25K rapid accounts for my fun and futures. Give 2 away today. We'll do 1 in a minute. I'm going to try this. I'll take 330s. We're in 1 micro, so that's not the bearish reaction we were looking for. But risking like 60 bucks, not much. If we go to 3273, get your payout. Good luck. Yeah, Clarity. I just read the email and I was like, oh. I kind of did the same thing, right? Well, let's see if we can lose the 87s on the ES there. Holding up here at the 21 EMA on the 5. All right, stop to break even is going to be back below that wick at 74 now. All right, there's my stop to break even. See if this wants to go. Stopped out. And we gave it the old college try. We gave it the old college try, guys. Man. All right, let's pull a drawing here. Well, we have 181 entries and only 85 people in the chat. So what I'm going to do the first one here as a shotgun. We're going to shotgun it. We're going to shotgun it. Then the next one we'll do probably a race. So guys, what up, Eric? If you guys are not in the giveaway, I'm about to open it up for you to get in the giveaway. See my P&L here. Blew those 2 Lucid accounts. Fresh evals, just wrecked them. Down 425 on the funded PA, which stings because it's supposed to have been copying with these accounts and it did not. And so I took another trade and accidentally made a mental mistake and went double the size I was supposed to. Supposed to only be risking 200. There you go. Give it away, give it away, give it away, give it away now. All right, on your marks, get set, go. 1 minute. I mean, I don't know. This thing does look so bullish. Exclamation point MM in the chat. $39 seconds. $25 seconds. I don't know, man. We're really chopping here. Really, really choppy. Difficult to kind of say which way we're going. The winner is Rob the Scalper. Rob the Scalper, send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. In your email, click in the top right-hand corner. Screenshot showing me you're logged in. Send me your My Planet Futures email so we can get you the account over to you. Yes, sir. All right, I will reopen the giveaway, guys. We're going to do one more today. And it'll probably be a duck race or whatever, emoji race, whatever it's called. Congratulations, Rob. So you can re-enter with exclamation point MM here. Remember, guys, you do got 50% off trade day. The only one I do recommend on the trade day is going to be the fast one, end of day, the one there. I like that one the best. Looks like E8 Markets is now having daily payouts as well, but you got 30% off Tick Profit Trader, 50% off of trade day, 50% off of Lucid. Use code MM. 90% off day traders, guys. Code MM. 90% off of Apex. Code MYTH. MYTH. 90% off Bulanox. Code MM. Code MM on all of them. Traders Launch, I think, is 20% off. Code MM. You get the deal. Probably forgot somebody. Tradeify. I forgot Tradeify. Code MM. Fun and Futures Network. Buy one, get one free. 50% off. Code MM. Yep. My Fun and Futures. Maybe I forgot them too. Code MM. 40% off on some accounts. As you do. As you do. That's the commercial. Trying to decide if I want to try to do any other trades on this funded account. I'm up 119 on it. It is day one. Man, really tough conditions today. Tough conditions. Dun, 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 dun. At least we didn't blow anything other than a couple of evals today. I don't even like doing that, but good day to sit out so far. I agree, Sovereignty, 100%. Trying to make moves, trying to make things happen in this choppiness is not the way to do it. Allowed myself to be chopped up there. We are green on most accounts, so I mean, you know, it's not the worst thing in the world, but Solo, good morning, good morning. Oh, what about that? Did it take it on that account? Oh, it did. Okay. All right. Anybody watch that Apex movie last night that I was showing on stream? Anybody said, you know what? Let me go watch that. Yeah. Rob doesn't win very often either. I always love to see an OG win. Somebody who's been around for a while. It's always nice. It's always nice. Yeah, I should have went with my gut this morning. I know the rules. Oh, you watched it? Disturbing. You made plans to watch it today. You saw the extended trailer. Yeah, it's a pretty good movie. Um, I forgot what I was saying. I don't know. Yeah, the opening range. So like I should have known. Like I did know. I know that the results are not good when your opening range is more than 55, 65 points the most. You get into that 70, 80 point range, it's just not as good. And today's was 141 points. But we did leave equal lows down there, and so I thought, actually, we left those at open, didn't we? No, it was before open. So we did leave equal lows. So that's the main reason I took it, thinking that we were going to hit those, and we just didn't. We just didn't. We made a bad decision. That's all right. The good news is I did stop at one trade, even though I'm red on those accounts. So tough for me to do because I like to just try to get it back, but especially knowing that the one account I'm red on is the funded account hurts, but it is what it is. Is what it is. Ugh. All right, get a little boner candle going here, 15 points. All right, 30 points. 30 points. 30 points it is. Whoever won the account last night, I never got an email from you, by the way. I never got the email from whoever won the My Funded account yesterday. You don't mind taking it solo? Larry will take it. Nah, it wasn't you, Alexi. It was, I can tell you who it was. We'll see if they're in here. But they only have today to send me the email. If you do not send it to me today, you're going to forfeit it. Let me check and make sure it's not in my junk. Let me check my junk folder. Add that account to today. Yeah. InQ Master, that might be you. Let me look. Is it you? Did you not send the email yet? Let me look. Where do I see the history at? Oh, right here. Wait. Was it you or Mikhail? It might have been the Mikhail guy. All right, Rob, your account's there, by the way. All right, let me see. David, let me find it. All right, we got Fred. Yeah, InQ Master, it was you. Send me an email. He mastered it already. Yeah, send it to me. Send it to me now if you can, InQ Master, so I can get it over to you. Because those expire. So my giveaways renew every month. And so that will expire. Today's my last day to give those out. I don't normally come down to the end of the month still having the accounts, but this month I did. I don't want you to lose your free. I mean, it's hard enough to win. Still just inside this 175-point range. All right, who you guys got? You got the Spurs or you got the Knicks? Who you got? Spurs or Knicks? I'll tell you who I'm thinking in a minute. One thing I will say is we're going to learn a lot about Wemby in the finals, right? Is he going to be Kevin Durant and kind of fold in the finals? Or is he going to be someone else? You're from New York, Larry. I do like the storyline of the Spurs. And I've kind of been like, I've rooted for the Spurs before because I really like Tim Duncan and David Robinson, Manu Ginobili, Tony Parker, Robert Ory, all the old school Spurs. That one fella who left and went to Toronto. Uh, yeah, I think the Spurs win. I do. I think the Spurs win. I do think the Knicks are a good story too, though. I think you have really good storylines on both sides. So I don't think you can go wrong with whoever wins. I mean, let's be honest. The Knicks have been bad for a long, long time. Spurs definitely have not had that sort of pain that the Knicks have had. You haven't seen the good Knicks, since like the 80s? When's the last time Knicks won a championship? I don't even know. $1973? Really? It's been that long? Holy cow, I thought it was the 80s. Dang. And this is the first time they've reached the finals in 27 years. The man from, Toronto. Kawhi Leonard, I guess, is who I was thinking about. Kawhi Leonard, he was on a lot of people forget he played for the Spurs, right? Won a title with the Spurs. You can go back to the 90s, John Starks. What a wild man. Lynn Sanity. Anybody remember Lynn Sanity? Yeah, I'm not up to date, Jason, for sure. They won when the first Corvette was made. I'm not an analytical guy like Jason is. I don't know what to tell you. I'm not an analytical guy, but I like the Spurs. Jason, who you think? I know Jules is rooting for the Spurs. This candle right here, is this the real breakout or is this trying to trap? Cavs head coach said they were up 2-1 when down 3-0 because of analytics. I mean, he played for Toronto for a brief moment, yeah. I think he was just saying theoretically. I mean, if you're up 20 points in the fourth quarter, you should win that game, right? That's kind of what he was saying. Yeah, ES is not doing anything here, guys. ES is literally ES is in a 20-point range since open. We set the low first. I mean, if you're on ES here, this is actually a good long spot, or this is a theoretical long spot. $86.3 would be a good long spot. I might try it. Stop at 76. Oh, are we after? No, we're not after 11 yet. I'm going to try it. I'm going to look for 5 points over here on the ES. Actually, 6 points. So I'm going to be long ES here. I'll probably go stop to break even. I'm in a mini, so I will go stop to break even probably faster than normal. If we get it. Oh, I didn't even. Where's the VWAP? Oh, VWAP's up there at 95. Yeah, it's all right. And ES just rejected right back down. Going to get stopped out here. I don't think I'm going to move the stop. Stop kind of needs to be at 76. Oh, maybe 4 more points. All right, we can do that. I'll move the stop to 76 here. It's 10 points. All right, now we're getting a nice little bullish candle. Trying to anyway. Holding a nice little 5-minute trend line here. I may actually stab long here. I'm going to move off this account. I'm going to stab long here or stop just kind of down there. Looking for 10 points. I know I'm longing into the VWAP here, but I think we get a squeeze. I'll move the stop up to break even if we hit that first target. Yeah, now, tough scenario. Well, not wanting to go. Send it. All right, NQ. Let me send it to them right quick. All right, email sent. What up, Lucky Mon? Seems like you didn't miss much. No, you didn't. No business lens. I'm just giving away 2 accounts instead of 1. So that's huge. It's 50% more. It's huge. Top of the hour here in 3 minutes. Bigger than last time. That's right. Twice the size of last time. Mancini says volatility gone. After the morning burst in the ES. Don't force trades in zero volatility after running 76.20 target from Thursday's breakdown. Now just pure chop. 65 to 04 is the range with 85 magnet. Might get stopped here. I could. I'll give a little bit more room here. We're just in 2 micros. The Diddy tape leaked. He qualifies to win the Asian evals. Let's go. What up, Vivian? Yeah, slow grind up. Come on. Get through there, bro. Top of the hour in 30 seconds. Yep. NQ Master account's there. That's how it is, man. It's like beep, 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 beep. Like I told you, it's the last day for me to give them out. So, yeah, no problem. You're welcome. All right, let's see here. Let's see here. Top of the hour. Take us through. All right. It beaked us. Yes. Yes. Going to get back to my entry. Yes. Going to get back to my entry here. Pamp it. We need to pamp it. Come on, bro. All that work just to go back down? Rude. Rude, guys. Very rude. Holding a 5-minute trend line here pretty tightly. Pretty tightly holding a trend line here. Guess I shouldn't have moved the stop. All right, guys, 11 o'clock. Let's let's get the race set up here. What is it called? Exclamation point MM in the chat. Yeah, Jonathan, just because of micros. If you want to enter the giveaway, exclamation point MM in the chat there. We're about to draw 10 names. Ten names for an emoji race. All right, let's go. We'll get the timer ready. Oh, what happened? Come on, guys. Clear. There we go. Oh. Sorry, I couldn't get the first mute on, guys. Couldn't do it. Yeah, buffered because of this stupid emoji race thing. This thing freezes my computer up. Edit list. All right, ES almost got back to my entry there. Gotta kind of break above 87 there. I'm just going to take $100 on that, I guess, if we get it. All right, guys, we're going to choose 10 names now. You guys ready to go? Nobody was fired, business lens. They just went different directions. We're doing the giveaway right now, Lucifer. All right, let's go ahead and do the draw for the 10 names here. I'm going to close entries now. So exclamation point MM in the chat. You got about 10 seconds. Got about 10 seconds. Exclamation point MM room. You know this. All right, and the entries are now officially closed. We're going to pick 10 names, then we're going to do a race. Prop Trader Pro 1. You are number 1. Number 1 in the race and number 1 in our hearts. Or something like that. Not sure if that's the proper term there. Wing Rider 124. You are number 2. Sharp DXI. You're number 3. Trades by Now. Number 4. Thomas Taylor 672. Number 5. Joe Mo 991994. 1994, class of 1994. Hey, are we out of all of our orders there? We got Field over there on the ES. Alfred Sicoli. 8599. So we got Field on our ES target finally. Limey the Great, 5388. Flash Trader Zone. Dun, 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 dun. Donovan McNasty. He's nasty. He's a nasty guy. He's a nasty guy. You didn't win. We're in the giveaway. You're in the race for the win. All right, guys, and we're going to do a shotgun. We're going to do a shotgun right now for a bonus entry. So 1 minute, exclamation point, MM in the chat for a bonus entry. Go. Bonus entry. This thing's going to go now. I took 1 point just for $95. It'll probably go now. Quick little bonus. Bonus round entry. Oh, man. Look at that pullback into the 21. I wasn't even looking. I was over there doing the giveaway. Excellent pullback there to the 411s. Bounced right off the 21 again. 40 points off that area. I'm telling you guys, 21 EMA on the 5 is nice, especially in like a grindy market. As long as you're not death candling into it, it's not bad. And the final entry is Tick Watcher. Okay. Done. Now we can go to set. I'm going to turn this stupid song off, so we don't want to hear that. There we go. Then we come down here. We go start. And nobody's in the lead right now. Everybody's bunched together. Everybody's bunched together. It looks like Flash Zone. No, wait. Limey the Greats. He's crying. He's sweating already. He's sweating bullets. Sweating bullets over there. Sharp DXI trying to get out to a lead, but Limey said, no, not today, bro. Tick Watcher trying to scoot up on the outside there, trying to come in last. Let's see if he hits the turbo. Let's see if he hits the turbo there. Limey the Great with the lead. Who's it going to be? I have a feeling someone down lower here is going to make a run in the last 10 seconds. Oh, McNasty making a run. Here comes Sharp. McNasty might have it here. He's got the... Oh, shit. There comes Prop Trader Pro out of nowhere. Prop Trader Pro. Send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. And the email includes your My Funded Futures email. And click in the top right-hand corner. Bam! Screenshot this showing me that you're logged into your account. Let me show you guys what we've done today so far. A mixed bag today, right? We didn't copy trade, so it's a mixed bag. 2 blown evals, down 400 on 1 funded. Small green there, small green here. And then over here, this is a funded account, 119. This is an eval, 268. Funded account here, down 417. And then these are evals. 254, 275. So green and red evals and funded. Hey, tough morning, right? Tough morning. Who knows? But we will be over on My Funded TV. here in a few minutes, about what, 20 minutes. So if you guys want to join us over there, and also if you want to help support the channel, hit the like button, subscribe. That's the easiest thing you can do to support the channel. But we do have got a lot of sales going on right now, guys. A lot of good deals. Apex is still 90% off. Use code MYTH, MYTH. Bulanox 90% off, code MM. Everything else is code MM. My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Tradeify, Funded Futures Network, Day Traders, Lucid, Traders Launch, all code MM. So do appreciate you guys watching, and we'll be over on My Funded TV here in about 20 minutes. See you guys over there.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, quick Apex giveaway for those of you that are still here. There we go. You got 1 minute, exclamation point MM in the chat. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you hung around. Apex any size evaluation coming at you. And by the way, I did find out these Apex codes do not work on the, they work the first day, but they don't work on the no activation fee accounts. So exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. For those of you who stuck around. Maybe nobody stuck around. Maybe nobody stuck around. I don't know. All right, we got a few people. We got a few people. I guess people haven't learned their lesson yet about leaving early, huh? You guys got a high probability of winning here, TR, Alpha, and Eric. You're the only ones in the giveaway. And you got 3 seconds. And the winner is. You got a 33% chance of winning. Eric, you have won. Lavender, you just missed it. I'm sorry. Eric, you won. So Eric, send me an email, methodicalman@gmail.com. We'll get that Apex account over to you. You can't even win with 3 entries. It's pretty sad. Oh. All right, guys, I'm out. We'll see you guys next time.